If you want to hide apps on OPPO Reno 15, first of all, we need to go to Settings. Now over here in Settings, we should be able to find Security and Privacy. Now in here, we're gonna scroll down and we need to find the Hide Apps option. Now we can press get started, and in order to be able to use the Hide Apps feature, you need to have a privacy password. So we're gonna tap on Settings, and then we can choose the privacy password that you want to use. Of course, we can tap on use a different password type in order to switch to something else. So let's say I'm gonna use a pattern. There we go. Then we can set up the password that we want to use for that privacy for hidden apps. You can also use your OPPO account if you have one. If you don't want to use OPPO account for the privacy password, then we can tap on Not Now, and then you have all different options that allow you to recover the password in case you forget it. So you can use the recovery email and question in addition to the link account. In my case, I'm just gonna set up a simple security question over here. Of course, in your case, you can just set it up properly. And then once we create the privacy password, once again, we can tap on Setup. Now we have the access method, so you can choose an access code. And if you choose access code, we need to tap on Setting in here, and we need to provide the access code that we want to use in order to open those hidden apps. So in this case, we need to provide a number that will be inserted between these hashtags. This can be pretty much any number that you want to use. In my case, I'm just gonna use 0. It can be much longer, of course. It can be like a combination of different numbers, something like that, for example. But in my case, I'm just gonna keep it simple and tap on Done in the upper right corner, and we are all set. Of course, in addition to that, we can create the home screen folder, and that can work as well. We can also customize the icon if you want to, so you can disguise it as something else in case you don't want it to be very clear. And we can use Save. Now we can go to Add Apps in here, and we can easily choose apps that should be hidden. So let's say I'm gonna hide the app market over here. There we go. And let's say we're gonna choose this app as well. You can hide from the home screen and certain system settings, or you can completely hide it from the phone. And after that, of course, we have two ways to access those hidden apps as we selected. So this can be the shortcut that you can find on the home screen. In that case, we need to enter the privacy password. There we go. And the second option is to use that access code, which we enter in the phone app. So we're gonna go to the phone app, switch to the keypad, and enter your code. And there we go. In this case, we do not have to use the privacy password. Leave a like and subscribe.